Google Sites stands out today as one of the most approachable website building platforms, designed for individuals and organizations who want to create a web presence without needing deep technical expertise. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a small business owner, or simply someone looking to share information, Google Sites offers a streamlined, no-cost way to build functional sites. Its real power lies in its seamless integration with other Google tools. Think Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Forms, and more, making it an ideal platform for collaborative projects and content-rich pages. Let's begin by exploring what makes Google Sites unique in the crowded landscape of website builders. Unlike many platforms that overwhelm new users with design options and technical jargon, Google Sites offers a simple drag-and-drop interface. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to worry about hosting or security. Everything is handled by Google, and you can focus on what matters most: your content. But simplicity doesn't mean limitation, at least not for most use cases. Google Sites is surprisingly versatile, supporting a wide range of website types, from personal portfolios and class homepages to event information hubs and community resource centers. To truly appreciate the breadth of what's possible, let's look at some real-world examples, drawn from a curated selection of Google Sites websites. First, consider the portfolio of filmmaker Philip Zepka. His site is a testament to the clean, minimalist design Google Sites can offer. The homepage greets visitors with a sharp, uncluttered layout, featuring a prominent bio and striking visuals from his work. By embedding video clips directly from YouTube and organizing his filmography in an easy-to-navigate structure, Philip demonstrates how creative professionals can showcase their talents without distraction. Google Sites' native support for multimedia makes integrating videos and high-quality images straightforward. No plugins or external services required. Next, let's turn to the educational sector. Mr. Reese's social studies classes is a great example of how teachers can use Google Sites to centralize resources for students. The site is organized into sections for each class, with links to assignments, Google Slides presentations, and important announcements. With Google Sites' automatic integration with Google Drive, teachers can upload worksheets, share docs for collaborative note-taking, and even embed forms for quick quizzes. The result is a dynamic, interactive learning hub that's always up to date and accessible from anywhere. Community organizations also find Google Sites invaluable. Morton Park Hall, for instance, uses their site to inform residents about facilities, upcoming events, and booking procedures. Clear navigation and visually distinct sections help visitors find what they need quickly, whether it's information about the hall's amenities or guidelines for reservations. With Google Calendar embedded directly onto the site, scheduling events becomes seamless. Residents can view availability and submit requests without leaving the page. What these examples have in common is the way Google Sites leverages integration with the broader Google ecosystem. Embedding a YouTube video, displaying a chart from Google Sheets, or collecting feedback via Google Forms can all be done in a few clicks. This makes Google Sites an especially attractive choice for groups already using Google Workspace, such as schools, nonprofits, and teams within larger organizations. Of course, it's important to acknowledge the platform's limitations. While Google Sites is perfect for simple, information-focused websites, it doesn't offer the advanced design customization found in builders like Wix or Webflow. Storage space for free users is also limited, which can be a constraint for sites with extensive multimedia content. There are fewer templates to choose from, meaning users seeking highly unique or branded experiences may need to look elsewhere. Functionality like e-commerce, member logins, or sophisticated animations is either unsupported or extremely limited. However, for many users, these constraints are balanced by the platform's strengths. Sites load quickly, are optimized for mobile devices automatically, and benefit from Google's robust security and reliable hosting. The collaborative editing features, where multiple people can build and update a site in real time, are especially powerful for teams working remotely or on shared projects. Let's circle back to some other standout examples and see how people are pushing Google Sites to its limits. The comprehensive guide on sitebuilderreport.com features a range of sites, from travel itineraries and event landing pages to small business sites and classroom portals. Take, for instance, a travel blogger who uses Google Sites to organize trip details, share maps, and embed photo galleries. By connecting Google Maps directly into pages, travelers can provide interactive guides for their audience, complete with custom markers and route information. Small businesses, such as local bakeries or fitness instructors, use Google Sites to provide basic information, hours, menus, class schedules, and to collect inquiries via embedded Google Forms. These sites may not be as flashy as those built on premium platforms, but they're functional, easy to update, and cost nothing to maintain. For many entrepreneurs, that's a compelling proposition. Then there are sites designed for internal use within organizations. Project management pages, onboarding portals, or shared resource libraries often live within the Google Sites ecosystem. Protected by Google Workspace's security controls. With granular sharing settings, teams can restrict access to confidential information while making general resources publicly available as needed. The educational sector deserves special mention, given how widely Google Sites has been adopted in schools. Teachers build class websites to post homework assignments, share study guides, and post announcements. Students can collaborate on group projects, creating their own sites to display research findings or multimedia reports. The simplicity of the platform ensures that technology doesn't become a barrier to learning. Let's not forget about personal websites. Google Sites is popular among individuals who want to create digital portfolios, family albums, or memorial pages. The ability to quickly assemble a site, invite friends or family to contribute, and share the finished product with a private group makes it an appealing choice for personal storytelling. In summary, Google Sites is not about flashy design or deep customization. It's about accessibility, integration, and ease of use. It's about getting your message out to the world, quickly, securely, and with minimal fuss. For anyone already using Google services, Sites offers a natural extension, allowing you to bring together documents, videos, calendars, and forms into a single, coherent destination. If you're considering building a website and don't want to deal with the headaches of hosting, coding, or complex design tools, Google Sites is worth exploring. Its strengths, simplicity, connectivity, and collaborations make it a go-to solution for the countless users around the world. Whether you're launching a classroom portal, a community hub, or a personal portfolio, Google Sites gives you the tools to build something meaningful. So, what's next? Dive in and experiment. Explore the examples we've discussed. Think about your own needs and see how Google Sites can help you bring your ideas to life. With a little creativity and the right integrations, your site can be more than just a collection of pages. It can be a vibrant, interactive home for your story, your business, or your community.